Okay, today is day 19, I believe, and that is from the day they started digging. And we are here to see the progress of the installation of the Clayton home, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. For those who are new, my name is Olufemi. I'm a real estate investor, and I teach people how to invest in real estate in the US. So you can find a link at the bottom of this video, the YouTube video. So today is day 19. This is February 22nd, 2025. So last time we saw that this was installed. It looks kind of the same, but I've gone through. There are a lot of pipings under. So we'll walk through that. And also at the end of this video, I want to talk about alternative ways to invest, to fund your investments. Because many people think, oh, how do I afford things like this? So for those of you who have probably no credit, at the end of this video, I'll talk about alternative ways that I fund and other people fund their investments, because not everybody can get bank loans. Personally, I have no credit because I've been in the US for 20 years and I've never used a credit card. So definitely when they pull up my credit, I have no credit. So I'll talk about alternative ways people can fund their real estate deals. But meanwhile, let's go through and see what has been going on here. So last week we already saw the installation, but as I went, you might not see much difference now, but I looked under and I saw a lot of pipes. So that might be some piping going on there. So here is there's a room here. There's 1 bedroom here, I believe. I know there's the kitchen here. Okay, no, this is the dining. There's the kitchen. And then, as I told you, here's a pipe here. Maybe it's electric, I don't know. So a lot of things that have gone on in the past week are things that cannot be seen on the outside. Most of the work is being done under or inside. So there's not much to show you this week as far as the progress that you can see. These were not here last week, so probably using them for some things. So all these are sidings. Yeah, a lot of things are going on that we can't see. But as I said, there's going to be a walkway here to the door and a walkway at the back, the other side. And then see all these planks. Yeah, all these were not there last week. So hopefully when we come next week Saturday, there'll be more to show. So as I promised, how do you fund real estate deals when you don't have credit or you have bad credit? Usually I wouldn't say if you have bad credit, because having bad credit might be that you have not yet mastered, being responsible with money, because money is something that you have to be able to handle very well, no matter what credit you have, because real estate is capital intensive, and if you can't discipline yourself, you'll find out that if somebody even gives you money, you won't know how to be a good steward of that money. So let's go with those who have no credit. One of the things I tell people, if you want to invest in real estate, you should have a job. Yes, I know people say, oh, fire your employer and all that, but no, you should have a job, even if it's a minimum wage. Have some income, because when it comes to real estate, there are times that you have to wait. You have to be patient, and during those times you want to have something at least to survive. So you should have a job, and then your deals should be deals that match your income. For example, if you have a low income job and probably stay with your parents, or you and your friends can come together and rent a place. Now start saving your money. Have a different account, an account where you keep all, you're planning, okay, I'm going to be putting $500 a month or $1,000 a month, whatever your plan is, because you have to start with that. So savings. Now, when people see that you have a job and you have responsible, they see that you are responsible with your finances, then you'll be able to reach out. So the first source of funding is your personal savings. And when you save, if you've saved like 5,000, then you can start by investing in deals that are not expensive. You can start with tax deeds. Tax deeds go from $500, $1,000, $2,000. So you can start with that. So if you are somebody with a minimum wage job, you shouldn't go and start thinking of investing in $1 million deals, because even though there might be videos telling you that, it's not that easy. However, if you don't have much money, you can start with very small deals that are 5,000, deals that are 1,000. And as I told you, if you have a job, you won't be under pressure. You'll be able to find the best deals. The second way, and which is the one I use a lot, is family and friends. Those are the best ways to fund deals. And the reason I like that is they know you. They know you are not running anywhere. Now, when it comes to family and friends, I even prefer family, because money can make you lose your friendship. But family, they know you. And if they've seen that you are a responsible person who is not wasteful, they can trust you. So if your family, knows that you are a person who is responsible with money, they'll feel comfortable with, loaning you some money. The next thing is, when you're going to reach out to your family, if you're going to ask somebody for 5,000, 10,000, 100,000, you have to promise them some interest. Don't say because they're your family, they will loan you money and you just give them back the money you loaned. It must be with interest, because if they put that money in the bank would have given them interest. So why should they give you the money and you don't pay them any interest. So the best way to get loans from your family is you have to write a proper promissory note with interest. Even if it's your children, even if it's your siblings, even if it's from your parents, you have to make it, document it properly. Don't just say, hey, mommy, loan me money, or hey, daddy, or hey, brother, or hey, my daughter, or hey, my son. Do it as if it's a business transaction, and they will respect you for that, and it will also make you accountable, so that you don't just take money from people and you don't, pay them back. So these are my own 2 ways, and that's what I've been using: savings and from family. Now, there's one more method I've used. When I was working, I had a 401k. Now, but it depends on the kind of 401k you have. In my own case, you could borrow up to $50,000 from your 401k, or half of what you have, but the maximum was 50,000. So you could borrow that, and then you will pay yourself back. So you can call your 401k administrator and ask if you can take a loan, and they'll tell you how to pay back, and even the interest, you are paying it to yourself. So it's your own money, you're borrowing it and paying it back to yourself. That's the third method I used, but that's for those who have a good job and enough money in their 401k. So these are the 3 methods that you can use to fund your real estate deals. And so this is the 22nd of February 2025. By the grace of God, we'll be back here in a week's time to see if there's any progress. The only progress I see here are things under the building. So I haven't been told anything new, but I can see that there's some pipes, and they dug a small thing to let water drain. I think that's in case of the rain or something. They just want the things to. But so far, this is what I can see. I don't see anything else to report. Yeah. And we still have our wall here. Our wall is holding. So still expecting a lot of aesthetics. And thank you for watching. And again, you can click on the link below if you want any kind of training or want to ask any questions. I'll offer a gift for February. It's still open. Anyone who wants a free consultation can watch my previous video, and then if nobody claims that, then we'll make another offer in March. Okay, bye. God bless.